This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sheri Lebrun. 4-bedroom/1.5 bath CBS home on January 3, acre in Lakewood Park neighborhood. Home was renovated in 2019. Open floor plan west/vaulted ceilings. Split bedrooms. Garage has been converted to 2 bedrooms. Bring your boat or RV, plenty of parking and no HOA. Lakewood Park is conveniently located close to major highways, shopping, restaurants and just a quick 15 minutes to the blue waters of either Vero or Fort Pierce beaches. For more information, review the details below.